How's it going, everyone? For today's video I'm in Forza Motorsport 6. That's right, I'm the kind of guy who rebrands his channel from Chris Spooner Gaming to Chris Spooner Motoring, then goes and uploads a video of a computer game again. But we're not playing Forza today. Sorry to all those who want to see gaming videos make a return on this channel again, but we're simply using the vinyl editor to mock up some ideas I have for my real life Mustang. So this is the virtual equivalent of my Mustang GT, modified the best I could to get it to what I want mine to look like. Unfortunately, I can't find any wheels that look anywhere close to what I'd like, so ignore the styling of these rims. They are black, which is the most important thing, because the look I'm going for with my car is a red and black theme. Since before I even bought my Mustang, my plan was to go for a black roof, but now I can't decide whether to instead go for stripes, or even go for both stripes and a black roof. Initially I thought stripes might have been a little too brash for my own taste, but when I saw them applied with these fab photorealistic renders in Forza, I'm really tempted to go for them. I just think it gives the car more character and gives it more of a sportier look. There's definitely no confusing it with a Ford Mondeo or a Ford Fusion, as I think it's known in the US, when you've got a nice pair of stripes running over the car. If I do go for the stripes, it will be this design and this design only. My mind is already set on gloss black Le Mans style stripes with white pinstripes, just like the Shelby GT350, except a little wider at around 10 inches. While matte black stripes do look nice, they're just not for me. And I wouldn't want to give up on my little white pinstripe either. I just think it sets the theme off nicely, and I might combine that white with some white calipers to match this little red, black and white theme. So the big question is, stripes or no stripes? If, like me, you're tempted by stripes, would you go with stripes only, or mix the two and have stripes and a black roof? This is what that would look like. So essentially the stripes just run up the bumper, along the hood, and then down the deck lid and rear bumper, leaving the roof plain black. I did also mock up a further design which combined the stripes with the black roof, which would leave a strip down the centre of the roof wrap to expose a red stripe of the original race red paint colour. The two black stripes would obviously be invisible, being against the same colour roof, but the two white pinstripes would continue across the full length of the car. This particular option got a fair few votes in my opinion polls so far amongst friends and Mustang owners, but for me personally it's between a black roof or stripes only. I already have a local company in mind to take my car to for window tints and any vinyl mods I want doing. I just need to decide which option to go for, so I'm curious to know your opinions down in the comments. When I do eventually get either the roof wrap and or stripes applied in real life, you can expect to see a video on this channel, so stay tuned for that along with all the other modifications I've planned. So as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.